Every garden is a sanctuary, but even the most peaceful patch hides secrets, some gentle, others deadly. The same forces that create life can also take it away, even in our own backyards. Many familiar garden crops produce potent toxins, evolved to defend themselves. From skin irritants to ancient poisons, today we reveal the hidden dangers growing in plain sight. These aren't rare jungle plants. They're common crops every home grower should handle with care. Sometimes the most dangerous things grow quietly right outside your door. The castor bean, with its dramatic leaves and spiky seed pods, is a showstopper in any garden. But inside those jewel-like seeds lies ricin, one of the deadliest natural toxins known. Just a few chewed seeds can be fatal, and even handling them with cuts on your hands is risky. Never plant castor bean where children or pets can reach it, and always remove seed pods before they mature. If you grow it for its looks, be vigilant. Its beauty hides a lethal secret. Sometimes the most striking plants demand the greatest caution. Oleander's lush flowers and evergreen leaves make it a garden favourite, but every part is dangerously toxic. Its cardiac glycosides can disrupt heart rhythm, and even a single leaf can be lethal. Burning or composting oleander spreads its toxins, so always handle with gloves and dispose of clippings safely. Never let children or pets near this plant. Oleander's beauty is matched only by its danger. In the garden, looks can be deceiving. Rhubarb's tart stalks are a springtime treat, but its leaves are highly toxic. The leaves contain oxalic acid, which can cause severe illness or even death if eaten. Always cut off and discard the leaves immediately after harvest. Never compost them. Only the stalks are safe for the kitchen. Rhubarb is a reminder. Not every part of a plant is meant to be eaten. Know what you're harvesting. Datura's moonlit flowers are enchanting, but all parts of the plant are packed with powerful hallucinogens. Ingestion can cause terrifying delirium, amnesia, and even death. Even inhaling the fragrance or touching the plant can cause symptoms in sensitive people. Never grow datura where children or pets can access it. Admire its beauty from a distance. Its power is best left undisturbed. Some garden magic is better left unexplored. Foxglove's spires of bell-shaped flowers are classic, but all parts contain potent cardiac glycosides. In tiny doses, they're medicine. In larger amounts, they're deadly. Ingesting any part can cause nausea, confusion, and fatal heart problems. Always wear gloves when handling foxglove, and label it clearly. The line between remedy and poison is razor thin. Handle with respect. Deadly nightshades' shiny black berries look tempting, but they're packed with dangerous alkaloids. Ingestion leads quickly from confusion to paralysis and respiratory failure. Even skin contact can cause irritation. Always wear gloves when removing it. It's easily confused with harmless plants, so proper identification is critical. Never forage unless you're absolutely certain. Nature's sweetest lures can be the most dangerous. Apples are wholesome, but their seeds contain amygdalin, which turns into cyanide when chewed. Swallowing a few whole seeds is harmless, but eating many crushed seeds is dangerous. The same goes for cherry, peach, and apricot pits. While the risk is low, it's a reminder that even familiar fruits have parts best avoided. Enjoy the fruit, discard the seeds. Not every part of a plant is safe. Sorghum is a vital crop, but young or stressed plants can produce cyanide-releasing compounds. Livestock grazing on immature sorghum risk fatal poisoning. Farmers must wait until plants mature before allowing animals to graze. Timing is everything. Patience keeps both people and animals safe. Even staple crops can turn deadly if harvested too soon. Nature rewards those who wait. Buttercups brighten fields, but their sap contains a blistering irritant. Livestock avoid them, but if forage is scarce, poisoning can occur. For gardeners, handling buttercups can cause painful skin blisters. Always wear gloves when weeding or clearing them. Their cheerful look hides a caustic defense. Sometimes the prettiest weeds are the most dangerous. Eggplant is a culinary favourite, but as a nightshade it contains solanine, especially in leaves and unripe fruit. Eating raw or undercooked eggplant can cause stomach upset. Cooking breaks down the toxin, making it safe to eat. Pets are more sensitive, so keep them away from the plant. Enjoy eggplant, but prepare it properly and protect your animals. Knowledge is the best ingredient. Cassava feeds millions, but its roots contain cyanide compounds. Only proper processing, soaking, boiling, fermenting, removes the danger. Sweet cassava is safer, but bitter varieties can be deadly if not prepared correctly. Never treat cassava like a potato. It requires special care. For gardeners, understanding preparation is essential. Some crops demand respect before they nourish. Onions, garlic and their relatives are kitchen essentials, but they're toxic to dogs and cats. Thiosulfates in these plants can cause life-threatening anemia in pets. The danger exists whether raw, cooked or powdered. Store bulbs safely out of reach and never share leftovers with animals. What's healthy for us can be deadly for them. Protect your pets from hidden hazards. Tomatoes are garden royalty, but their leaves and stems contain toxic alkaloids. Only the ripe fruit is safe to eat. The rest can cause illness. Never use tomato leaves for teas or infusions. Keep pets and livestock away from the foliage. Savour the fruit, but leave the greens alone. Not all that grows on the vine is food. Pokeweed tempts foragers with edible young shoots, but the rest of the plant is highly toxic. Safe preparation requires expert knowledge and multiple boils. The roots and berries are especially dangerous, causing severe illness or death. Birds can eat the berries, but people and pets cannot. Unless you're trained, treat pokeweed as a weed to be removed with gloves. The risks far outweigh the rewards. Tobacco plants are grown for beauty and history, but all parts are rich in nicotine, a potent neurotoxin. Handling wet leaves can cause nicotine poisoning through the skin, known as green tobacco sickness. Symptoms include nausea, dizziness, and heart problems. Always wear waterproof gloves and long sleeves when working with tobacco. Even natural pesticides can be hazardous. Protection is key. Angel's trumpet's massive fragrant flowers are stunning, but every part is dangerously toxic. Ingestion or misuse can cause terrifying hallucinations, paralysis and death. Even inhaling the scent in enclosed spaces can cause disorientation. Keep this plant far from children and teens, and always handle with gloves. Its beauty is a siren's call. Admire, but don't touch. Some garden wonders are best left untouched. Lemon and lime trees seem harmless, but their sap contains chemicals that can cause severe sunburn-like reactions. After handling citrus, sun exposure can trigger painful blisters and dark spots. Always wash your skin thoroughly after pruning or harvesting. Even the most familiar plants can surprise us. A little caution prevents a lot of pain. Enjoy citrus. Just clean up before you soak up the sun. Monkshood's blue flowers are breathtaking, but it's one of the most poisonous plants in the world. The alkaloid aconitine is deadly, and even skin contact can be dangerous. Always wear thick gloves and never plant it where children or pets play. Symptoms of poisoning appear quickly and can be fatal. This is a plant for experts only. Beauty and danger side by side. Potatoes are a staple, but when exposed to light, they turn green and produce toxic solanine. Green potatoes taste bitter and can cause serious illness. Always store potatoes in the dark and discard any that turn green. Hill up plants to keep tubers covered. Even the most trusted crops have their risks. Listen to nature's warnings. Lantana's colourful blooms attract butterflies, but its berries and leaves are toxic. The unripe green berries are especially dangerous to children and pets, causing severe illness or liver failure. Lantana is also invasive, outcompeting native plants. If you grow it, choose sterile varieties and remove berries promptly. Beauty and resilience can come with a cost. Know your plants. Protect your family. Nature offers both healing and harm, sometimes in the same plant. As gardeners, our job is to know what we grow and handle it wisely. Understanding plant dangers protects your family, pets, and the environment. Knowledge transforms gardening into a safer, richer experience. Stay curious, stay safe, and let your garden thrive, naturally. In the end, wisdom is the best tool you can grow.